Hi, welcome to Innovocean, a company that's doing something a little bit different and hopefully something that interests you. I figured I better introduce the company, let you know what it is we're going to be doing and explain a bit more about the products that we're going to be not just selling but renting, repairing and using as part of our day-to-day business. So my name's Gordon, I'm the director and owner of the company. And in addition to doing this, I also contract my services offshore in the oil and gas and renewables markets, operating and supervising remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs as they're also known, with a view to spending a bit more time on land and with my family. We created Innovocean, which is going to be one of probably Europe's first specialist companies dealing with underwater drones, which are essentially small ROVs. Now, underwater drones are a fairly new product on the marketplace and a lot of people are completely unaware that they exist. Many of them are actually geared towards use in the recreational market. So if you've been a drone pilot who's suffered thanks to CAA licensing, but enjoy operating vehicles remotely and exploring new areas that you wouldn't get to do normally, think about under the water. There's some great stuff to explore down there, and we're going to bring you the tools and technology to be able to do that. So we're now speaking to a number of companies, mainly in China and America and Canada, with a view to putting together a collection of products which is going to meet the needs of people who want to go either exploring underneath the waves or filming or photographing, whether that be divers, marine life, anything like that. Our goal is to bring you the products, the reviews, some techniques, tools, tips, all that kind of stuff to make it a more enjoyable experience and to make you the best you can be. So stick with us. This is just a really quick intro just to introduce ourselves, introduce the company, what we're about, and keep an eye on the channel. Very soon we'll be posting some, not strictly speaking, unboxing videos, because we do have a couple of products in the workshop now which we've had out and tested, so they're not really being unboxed, but we'll certainly show you what comes with the package, what price to expect to pay, and then we'll then go on and make videos out in the water so you can see what kind of content you can get. We're also speaking to some really interesting local places to try and get some good content put together, and I'll share more with you on that in the next few days. So give us a like, give us a wee subscription down below. Tell us what you want to see from us and keep your eyes peeled for another video coming very soon. Cheers.